Welcome back to Whitt Acres. I'm Cody. This is Echo. We're gardening at home. Let's go. So today I'm going to be planting garlic. It's March 14th and I'm in zone 6A. So I don't know if this is going to work. So I wouldn't just go out and do this yourself until maybe I get a follow-up video and you know if this works. So the ground is about 40 degrees. I have a soil thermometer and most of our nights are still getting below freezing. I'm hoping we have a cold enough spring right now to let these garlic get a basis and then grow and actually produce a bulb this year, but we'll see if it's actually going to work. I don't know. I'm supposed to plant garlic in the fall in my climate, but I'm trying it out in the spring because I can. So let's see if it works. I'm going to bring in and show you how I'm planting, and then maybe later in the season you can subscribe down below and we'll see it growing during our garden updates throughout the year. Let's go. Here's my no-nonsense way to plant spring garlic in March. Here's zone 6. I'm going to clear the wood chips, put my hory in, give it a twist, turn it, put it in, give it a twist, make an X in the soil. I already pulled the paper off my clove of garlic here that I got from Lowe's. I'm going to pop one of the cloves out, leave the paper fly. I'm going to put the butt end, not the pointy end, put the butt end down, press it into the soil, backfill just to the tip is sticking out of the top of the soil, and then move the wood chips, put a little thin layer over the wood chips. That's how I'm planting my spring garlic. Alright, that's all we have to do. So I'm going to let these grow and then I'll bring you back if they start sprouting up. Subscribe down below so you're the first ones to see it. See you on the next one.